Welcome to the fun segment E02 with MANGKA MAYANGLAMBAM. MANGKA, books or movies?
Animak.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Black or white?
Animak.
Ironba or kangsoy?
Both animak.
Animals or people?
Animak. Animak.
Dog or cat?
As animak.
Cakes or biscuits?
Cakes or biscuits. As animak.
Winter or summer?
As animak.
TV shows or web series?
TV shows or web series. Nungai wakal yenge.
WhatsApp or Snapchat?
WhatsApp.
Instagram or Facebook?
Animak.
Online shopping or shopping in store?
Shopping in store.
Video chat or text chat?
Video chat, text chat. Animak. Both.
Maggie or Mimi?
Migi or me. Animak.
Plain jeans or torn jeans?
I am the set 3-tone jeans, plain jeans.
Movies at home or movies in theater?
As nungai bane movies in theater.
SUV or sedan?
Animak.
Tom and Jerry or Doraemon?
Tom and Jerry.
Diamond or gold?
Ha.
Diamond or gold?
Diamond or gold. Animak.
Dancing or singing?
Animak.
Morning or night?
Both.
Pringles or Lays?
Wah, Pringles.
1 crore rupees or a chance to meet fans?
A chance to meet
Fans.
fans. A chance to meet fans.
Any reason?
Because aina ningzang bam lay because aina ngani man ising ni yam bu azam haibirammu because moi later kada isu lay roy, so they are my water aina nga.
Bora or Paknam?
Bora.
Football or cricket?
Football or cricket animak.
Mimi Singju or Chumnagi normal Singju?
Mimi Singju. Mimi Singju.
Party at home or party outside?
Amok tawdri. Ado party at home na pay.
Nga thongba or yen thongba?
Animak.
Ningol chakauba or cherauba?
Animak. Both.
Thabal chongba or lilayemba?
Thabal chongba.
Traditional dress or western dress?
Traditional dress.
Lotus or rose?
Lotus and or rose. Both.
Eating or sleeping?
Wow. Eating or sleeping, both.
Yoga or gym?
Yoga.
Sari or fanek?
Hanek.
Mangka the daughter or Mangka the singer?
Mangka the daughter.
Mangka or Mangkabi?
Mangkabi. Animak. Mangkabi is sweet, but both.
Thank you, Mangka Mayanglambam.
Thank you.